Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what we believe is the best Easy Lift 3000, the High Lift Jack Bumper Lift BL-250. If you're into off-roading, truck recovery, or just want a reliable, heavy-duty lifting tool, stay with us for the next 5 minutes because this might be the accessory you didn't know you needed. Let's begin with what this product is. The High Lift Jack Bumper Lift BL-250 is an accessory specifically designed to enhance the capabilities of your standard high lift jack. While the high lift jack is already a rugged go-to for many off-roaders and utility vehicle owners, the BL-250 expands its use, allowing it to lift vehicles with curved steel bumpers, something flat bumper jacks usually struggle with. Now, why is this such a game-changer? Most metal bumper vehicles, especially older or customized trucks and off-road vehicles, come with curved steel bumpers. The BL-250 attaches securely to these bumpers, giving your jack a safe and steady point of contact. It's rated with a lifting capacity of 3,000 pounds, which is more than enough for most trucks, SUVs, and off-road rigs. That's right, 3,000 pounds. This isn't your average accessory. It's engineered to handle serious weight under rugged conditions. One thing that really sets it apart is its all-steel construction. This isn't made with cheap materials or plastic add-ons. It's a heavy-duty tool that's built to last and endure tough environments. Whether you're dealing with a muddy trail, a rocky slope, or just a flat tire in the middle of nowhere, this bumper lift can give your jack the leverage and connection point it needs to get the job done quickly and safely. Size-wise, it's compact and easy to carry, with approximate dimensions of 216 inches long, 72 inches wide, and 36 inches high. And don't let those numbers confuse you, it's not bulky or difficult to handle. In fact, it weighs in at just 0.06 of a pound, making it extremely lightweight for what it does. You can toss it in your recovery gear bag or keep it mounted in your vehicle without a second thought. Using the BL-250 is simple. You attach it to your high lift jack and hook it securely onto the bumper. Once everything is lined up, you start jacking as usual, and the lift distributes force evenly across the bumper. There's no fiddling or second guessing, just quick and effective lifting. It turns your high lift jack into a far more versatile tool in seconds. What about compatibility? It's designed for most curved steel bumpers, which means it's going to work with a large majority of older vehicles, custom builds, and heavy-duty off-roaders. If you're unsure whether your bumper qualifies, just check if it's metal and has a solid lip for the hook to grab. That's usually all you need. The color is multicolor, not flashy, but easy to spot in your gear pile, which can be super helpful in high-pressure recovery situations. And while it's not a fashion accessory, the rugged look certainly matches the utility-focused purpose of the product. So, is the High Lift Jack Bumper Lift BL-250 worth it? Absolutely. For truck and SUV owners, off-roaders, and anyone who uses a high lift jack regularly, it adds serious value. It improves lifting safety, expands jack compatibility, and brings peace of mind when you're out in the field. And that wraps up this episode of Product Critique. If you're looking to upgrade your lifting setup, the BL-250 might just be the best Easy Lift 3000 for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the best tools, gear, and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.